Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you my first ever Amazon stationery haul. So expect that all my opinion will be genuine like a normal person and not someone who is a stationery hoarder or maybe who is a stationery enthusiast. In fact, all through my college years, I've been a person who just had one pen for every occasion, and that too was borrowed from one person or the other many a times. So judge me on that. So let's start with the first thing, and here I have this journal diary from Factornote. It's a beautiful journal diary. The cover is something which is what attracted me, and I bought this immediately. Once I've received this, I also do like its quality. I mean, it has these round corners which states that of course it's made with a lot of thinking and care. Also, the quality of the pages is amazing. The sheets are ruled paper quality, or it is 90 GSM. I don't know what that means. If you do know, then please comment down below. Also, this one retails for 199 rupees, but I got it for 113 rupees as a part of the lightning deal. It has 112 pages. But since I do not know a lot about stationery, so I did not know what B6 actually means. It's the size of the sheet or the diary. And this is such a tiny diary. As you can see, I'll insert the clip here. When I compare it with an A4 sheet, it's not even half of an A4 sheet. That's how tiny this diary is. So I do feel that it's on a costlier side. So think of it in this way: had I bought this from a local stationery shop, if the seller would sell me the same diary for 113 rupees, like 113 rupees, no, I wouldn't have bought this tiny diary from a local stationery shop for 113 rupees. And next I bought a set of these 5 folders. Oh, I know chit aa rahi hai, but I just want to show you the different colors. But again, ये बहुत ही messy हो जाएगा because I haven't unwrapped these folders. The one which I have unwrapped is the one I'll show you. This one is in red color. Now, I really do like folders. I do like keeping all my documents, photographs, diaries, or maybe other records in folders systematically. That's what I've learned from my father. I've been doing this, I think, since school. I do have a folder from school जो अब खराब हो चुका है because I think उसकी quality अच्छी थी, but it had only plastic. It was made of only plastic, and this one here is not just made of plastic, but also it has this resin or maybe bag material here, जिसकी वजह से I do think this will last much longer. The quality is better of this folder. Considering the price, I got this one individually. This single folder would cost me around, I think, 50 or 55 rupees, because 5 I got for 280 rupees, which I think is worth the price, considering the quality. It has a lot of space too, so I can keep a lot of things. I mean, I do encourage you to keep your things in folders or files. It makes your work so damn easier. There's this very common pen set from Luxor or Luxure. I don't know how that's pronounced. If anyone knows that, please comment down below. But this is a fine writer a set of 10 vibrant ink colors. This one retails for 100 rupees. That's 10 for each pen, but I got it for 90 rupees for the whole set. I used to use this in my school too. It actually glides very easily on the sheet, very smooth. It has this tip which is not of metal, but maybe foam. I don't know what that is, but that actually makes the pen to glide very smoothly. The colors are extremely bright, and yeah, what else do I say? I mean, I do like these pens. Now, the second thing which I got from Luxure or Luxor is a set of these 5 highlighter pens, super fluorescent as the company says. These one retail for 100 rupees for 5 highlighters, which I think is pretty affordable. Now, coming back to the quality, I do like its quality. The highlighter, it really works. It does not, I mean, the colors do show up on the page. The colors are also bright and nice colors, though it does transfer on the other side of the page. But I think that's, it's not Stabilo, right? That one, when I compare it with Stabilo, the price is totally different. The next thing that I bought is a set of 2 post-its and flags. Now, Now that I read a lot, I do like sometimes annotating my books also. I'm not sure if I like these post-its. I mean, these ones retail for 65, like one retail for 65, so two are for 120, 130, right? And I got this, I'm not sure, this the price will be on the screen. I do feel it's costly. मतलब बहुत ही थोड़े से हैं यार flags. Now I'm regretting. I should have bought the other set, which was for $2.99. It had post-its like square sheets also, and these flags too, and other markers too in it. But I wanted, you know, some cheap things, so I bought this one, and I'm not sure if it's worth the price. Again, now this is just my opinion. Some people can pay this much for these things like the journal diary and this post-it, but in my opinion it's costly for me. I'm like, मैं बहुत चिंदी हूँ, ठीक है? तो मेरे लिए ये महंगा. Next I bought a set of 5 Pentel pens. Now these ones have a tip of 0.5 and these are roller pens. And I really, I've written, you know, a page or two with this pen, and I do like this pen. The grip is, you know, your finger does not slip. I mean, yeah, I've been writing a lot with ball pens, and मैंने भी writing बहुत खराब कर लिया है, but I really am trying to improve my handwriting, so I bought some good pens. Now this one retails for 150 for 5 pens, which means one pen costed me 30 rupees. That's on the MRP, so no discount was there. But still, I do like it. This pen, I mean, अच्छी quality है यार. I mean, I do not regret that I haven't bought Pilot, and I do like this pen. It's a roller gel pen, and yeah. What else? And now that we're done with the stationery or the pens, next I got a stationery kit or a pencil kit. Guess what? I did not have in that. Well, yeah, whatever. This one is in grey color. It's from a brand called Quips. This one retails for 149 rupees, and I got this for 129 rupees, which I think is fair deal. I mean, for a pencil, if you want to buy some good quality pencil kit, 100 से ऊपर का ही आती है. Had I bought this from a local stationery shop, if that seller was selling me at the same price, yes. I mean, the quality of this kit is actually good. It does not have many zips like it does. It only has 2 zips, 2 pockets, and it does not have any small pockets in it, which is usually there in pencil kits. But I don't feel the need of having too many zips or pockets in my stationery kit, because अब कोई pencil और I mean erasers और वो छोटा छोटा pencil का कट करके eraser का वो pencil को डालना तो नहीं है ना कूड़ा कचरा छोटी छोटी zips में. So yeah, I just wanted to keep some pencil and scales and pens in my stationery kit, which I think काफ़ी सही है इसका size. I also do like its color, very simple and very subtle. Quality काफ़ी अच्छी है. So yeah, that's it with the stationery kit. I think I'm doing good. So yeah, that's it with this video. If you liked anything from this video, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, because as per my analytics, 97% of the people who watch my videos don't actually subscribe to my channel, which is very sad for me. I mean, there may be 2 reasons. Either you don't like my content. If that's the case, then do comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. And if the other reason is just that you're very lazy, then it'll just take you 0.1 second to just tap on that subscribe button, but it'll just make my day. I mean, monetization start ho jayega mere channel pe. So please do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I think outro bahut lamba ho gaya hai, and I'll see you later with another video. Until then, bye.